Yay! Whoopee!
Green, orange, yellow duck, blue,
Yay! Whoopee!
pink,
Let's color these yummy donuts. Look, this donut is now red.
red,
Wow, green. Like the leaves on the trees.
green,
Orange. Like a juicy orange fruit.
orange,
Pink. Like pretty flowers.
pink,
Now, let's learn some shapes. Look, a circle. It's round and rolls like a ball. Here's a star. It shines bright in the night sky. A triangle. It has 3 sides, like a party hat. And a rectangle. It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides, like a door.
Oh no! My friends need their colors! Let's help them!
I am orange lion.
I am blue whale.
I am green frog.
I am a yellow duck. Let's look at these beautiful butterflies and learn more colors. Look! A blue butterfly! Wow! Pink! So pretty! Green butterflies! Just like fresh leaves! Orange butterflies! They glow like the sunset! Wow! So many yellow butterflies, too! They shine like the sun!